Hello everyone. In last video, I applied the base color on this painting and today I'll be adding the details. Personally, I love oil painting क्योंकि ये जल्दी ड्राई नहीं होती है एंड हमें काफ़ी समय मिल जाता है इसमें करेक्शन करने के लिए. Oil paints are made by mixing pigments and oil which creates a unique texture. In oil painting, colors are mixed at layers जिससे इसमें हम काफ़ी डिटेलिंग ऐड कर सकते हैं. Oil painting process can be slow, but it gives the painting depth and dimension. ऑयल पेंटिंग में एक अलग ही शाइन होती है जो पेंटिंग को और खूबसूरत बनाती है. If you are interested in commissioning a custom painting or a sketch, feel free to reach out to me in the comments. And this is my finished oil painting order work. Okay, bye.